Amazing Ammachi. This is a supplementary story. Children, let us read the story. Ammachi, could we make coconut burfi? Sabri asked. Please, he asked. Ha ha ha, only if you help me make it, replied Ammachi. Amazing means great surprise. He is Sabri and she is Sabari's grandma. That is Ammachi. Sabari asked his Ammachi, shall we make coconut burfi? Please, Ammachi. Ammachi laughed and replied, if you help me to make coconut burfi, I will make it. Hey, said Sabari excitedly. Ready, shouted Sabari. Ready, said Ammachi after sitting on the seat tied to the pulley. Pulley means a piece of equipment for moving heavy objects up or down consisting of a small wheel over which a rope. This is said to be pulley. Sabari excitedly said, hey, I am ready. And Ammachi also ready after sitting on the seat tied to the pulley. We will only pick ripe coconuts, okay, said Ammachi, the ones that are brown all over. Pull me up, up, up and up. Now watch out. Here they come. Whoosh, thud. Now let us take the husk off. Husk means the dry outside layer of the coconut. Crank. The lever of the machine rang. Grrr. This was Sabari's tummy, not the lever. Ammachi giggled. Look at this picture, children. With this lever, this is an equipment to take the husk off from the coconut. Both Sabari and his Ammachi removing the husk from the ripe coconut. Then we crack the shell with the clever like this. Tuck. Look at this picture, children. Ammachi removes the shell with the clever and grate the fruit. Grate means reduce to small pieces by rubbing it on a grater. Look at this picture, children. Sabari grates the coconut. Toss it into the pan with sugar and all the other things, said Ammachi. Ammachi tossed the coconut in the pan with sugar and all other things. It smells so good, Ammachi, said Sabari. Sabari said, it smells so good. Then we pour it all out onto a tray. Let us wait for it to cool. Ammachi said, then we pour it all out onto a tray and wait for it to cool. Now cut into neat little pieces. Hey, our coconut burfi is ready to eat. Yummy. Thank you, Ammachi. Now our coconut burfi is ready to eat and Sabari thanked his Ammachi. Let us think and do. A. Match the pictures with the words. First, coconut, knife, tray. Match coconut with third picture, knife with first picture, tray with second picture. B. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. Number 1. Sabari asked his Ammachi to prepare dash cake, barfi. Answer is barfi. 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 Number 2. They picked dash coconut. Tender, ripe. Answer is ripe. R-I-P-E. Ripe. They picked ripe coconut. Number 3. They poured the barfi all out onto a dash plate, tray. Answer is tray. T-R-A-Y. Tray. They poured the barfi all out onto a tray. Look at this big picture, children. Guna, Joe, Anwar, Ravi, Gerald, Jiva, Rahim, Siva and Babu. Let us answer for the given questions. First question. Whose house is near the pond? I repeat, whose house is near the pond? Children, look at this picture. Whose house is near the pond? Yes, Joe's house is near the pond. Number 2. Whose house is far from the pond? Whose house is far from the pond? Look at this picture, children. Whose house is far from the pond? Yes, Ravi's house. Right? Ravi's house is far from the pond. Number 3. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? Look at this picture, children. Who is with the bag? Yes, Guna is with the bag. So, the answer is, this is Guna's bag. This is Guna's bag. Number 4. Whose bat is this? Whose bat is this? Look at this picture, children. Who's with the bat? Yes, Babu. Answer is, this is Babu's bat. This is Babu's bat. Number 5. Whose shirt is red in color? Whose shirt is red in color? Children, whose shirt is red in color? Yes, Siva's shirt. So, the answer is, Siva's shirt is red in color. Number 6. Whose cycle is bigger? Whose cycle is bigger? Look at this picture, children. Whose cycle is bigger? Yes, Gerald's cycle. So the answer is, Gerald's cycle is bigger. Number 7. Whose cycle is smaller? Whose cycle is smaller. Look at this picture, children. Whose cycle is smaller? Yes, Jiva's cycle. Answer is Jiva's cycle is smaller. Jiva's cycle is smaller. I can do. I can do. Number 1. Match the words with the pictures. Match the word with the pictures. Spade. Spade. Match with spade. Toolbox. Match with toolbox. Drill. Match with drill. Player. Match with player. Spanner. 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 Match with spanner. Number 2. Circle the word with GE. Gender, germ, magic, badge, gentle. First, circle gender. 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 Germ. GEM. Gem. Gentle. 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 Number 3. Circle the word with GI. First one, ginger, giraffe, judge, magic, genius. Circle ginger. 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 Giraffe. 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 Circle the word magic. 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 Number 4. Circle the word with DGE. Badge, edge, gist, gem, fridge. Circle the word badge. 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 Edge. 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 Fridge. 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 Number 5. Listen and circle the words that your teacher says twice. Kant is feeling warm inside his home. He did not understand why it was so hot today. He steps out to buy some juice. It was hotter outside. Finally, he buys the juice and returns home. He opens the fridge to keep the juice. He sees that he already has juice at home. Dear children, circle these words in this paragraph. Circle the word warm. 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 Understand. 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 Outside. 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 Finally. 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 Already. 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 Number 6. Answer your teacher and write it. What is the time? The time is 8:30. The time is 8:30. Number 8. Join the sentences using and. A. She likes to run. She likes to play. Answer is she likes to run and play. I repeat, she likes to run and play. B. He eats mango. He eats pear. Answer is he eats mango and pear. I repeat, he eats mango and pear. C. I draw a car. I draw a bus. Answer is I draw a car and a bus. I repeat, I draw a car and a bus. D. Chitra met her uncle. Chitra met her auntie. Answer is Chitra met her uncle and auntie. I repeat, Chitra met her uncle and auntie. E. Emily can sing. Emily can dance. Answer is Emily can sing and dance. I repeat, Emily can sing and dance. Number 9. Look at the picture and create a title for the story using and. Lion, mouse, crane, crab, hare, tortoise. Look at this picture, children. Hare and tortoise. Write hare and tortoise. H-A-R-E, hare and A-N-D and tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Tortoise. Second picture. Lion and mouse. Write L-I-O-N, lion and A-N-D and mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse, lion and mouse. Third picture, crane and crab. Write C-R-A-N-E, crane and A-N-D and crab, C-R-A-B, crab. Children, up to this part, we completed the whole second unit. Let us recall the topics in Unit 2. What are all the topics we discussed, children? Yes, names of tools, the little doctor, poem, a stitch in time, story, amazing, Ammachi, supplementary story. Children, I hope you all enjoyed this video, isn't it? Thank you, children.